Okay, that was me when I thought I should start fitness.
इंस्पा का प्रेसिडेंट और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट से बात करके एज ए ऑर्गेनाइजर मैंने इसका कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए सोचा.
Being number one has been happening to me after a long time.
दोस्तों ये था NBA का इवेंट. अच्छा लगा आके यहाँ पे. जो आगे जो दिख रहा है देखो दोस्तों वो टाउन हॉल है. इंटरनेशनल नेचुरल बॉडी बिल्डिंग एसोसिएशन. यहाँ पे इवेंट हो रहा है, बॉडी बिल्डिंग कंपटीशन हो रहा है. ये टाउन हॉल है. चलो आपको मस्त दर्शन कराते हैं. ये कुछ बताओ ना प्रोटीन के बारे में. नॉर्मल प्रोटीन एंड दैट इज हाइड्रो आइसोलेट प्रोटीन. दोस्तों ये सिद्धू है और यहाँ के इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजर है. सर आप कुछ बताओ INBA के बारे में. INBA क्या होता है? व्हाट एक्जैक्टली INBA? See, INBA is the only federation with the natural Olympia thing. So इसमें क्या होता है? So this is a international natural bodybuilding association. It's having a very good history and it's a federation which is having more discipline and more honesty. So INBA has a number of athletes worldwide and they do conduct world championship, universal and as well as Olympia also. Today as a result we have more than 150 athletes in individual category. Okay. So and these athletes coming all over the India? Yes, of course. We have received calls from Odisha, Delhi, Mumbai, Gujarat. From South India, so it is very near to us. Now the people are more. We actually more than the expectation what we are receiving now. So the more athletes are there.
You say natural, what exactly natural? I mean, without taking any proteins or anything?
It's not about protein and all. We classify supplements into different categories.
Okay.
For example, it comes protein. All this comes under a regular. Any common person can have it. There are other substances where the person should not have during the natural bodybuilding competition.
Okay.
That is how we differentiate. Natural is all about having the common thing where everybody uses.
Okay,
Even you can use whey protein, I can use whey protein. It's a common thing. Not the substance like steroids.
Okay.
If you're using the steroid, you're not allowed. You're banned for lifetime in the federation.
Obviously, yes.
Yeah, and we do have a lot of what you call enquiries as well as inspection. We do testing also.
Okay.
The suspicious athletes will be taken for the testing process. In case if he finds that he has taken some substances, he will be banned for lifetime in our federation.
Obviously.
And we will also display his photo in our website so that it should not be. He should not be able to participate in other federation also.
Correct.
As of now, this is a national event. We usually don't give prize money. It is all about recognition, and we are giving pro cards.
Okay.
These pro cards are very much essential for a top bodybuilder to reach Olympia.
Oh,
yes.
Nice.
And the next event itself is Asia.
Okay.
It's a very good opportunity
Great
actually. It's
opportunity.
not like zonal level, from zonal to the state, then you are going to national, not like that. It's a very big opportunity for everyone to get into Olympia actually.
Obviously, yes.
Yes, exactly.
Very nice, very nice. The event is organized very nice.
Thank you so
and
much.
all the best. Thank you so much for talking us. Thank you. Ma'am, good morning again.
Good morning.
So I understood that you're from which country?
So, obviously from India,
Okay.
and currently living in Bangalore for the last 1 year. But we moved from UK just last year after 25 years living in England.
Okay. So what made you to come back to Bangalore and be a part of this event?
Oh, well, coming to Bangalore or coming to India is a big country move for us. Was a big decision mainly because of the parents, because they're getting old. And I've got a teenage daughter, so I had to convince her first, which was a challenge. But bodybuilding, I'm quite new to this world of bodybuilding and fitness. I've started my fitness journey. It was probably about 20 months ago.
You are participating today or?
I am participating today. So today the first category that we're going for is Body Fest, Women's Body Fest.
Okay.
And that's quite something that goes with my story that I shared, because it's more about the transformation. So I used to be 75 kilos. So that was the weight I used to have. And from there now that the whole transformation
Thank you for this, ma'am. All the best.
No problem. Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much. Yeah, good luck.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, you can speak about your transformation and then how you did about it, and glad you here on stage at the INBA Nationals.
Yes. First of all, a very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Anjali Kumari, and I am a mom of a 3.5-year-old daughter. So I started my fitness right after giving birth. So my daughter was 2 months when I started.
Yeah, you videos up.
Okay, that was me when I thought I should start fitness. But you all must know Johnny Bravo. If you don't know, just see the video and I'll get back to you all. I want you to see what is happening. He is my brother, if you all don't know. He is my own brother who was fighting cancer, and he taught me what is fitness and why you always should be in that mindset to work hard and get what you need.
Can we have a round of applause for the congratulations to the winners? And we have trophies and medals for the top 3. Sixth place is 227.
Once again. आप कहाँ से हो? ऐसे थोड़ा बात करेंगे, बस अपना YouTube चैनल है, अपने सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए।
तो बैंगलोर से ही है.
अच्छा, बढ़िया, बढ़िया। Super. How you are feeling about Bangalore?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Wonderful city. A lot I've got from here.
कैसा लग रहा है जीत के?
बहुत अच्छा. Because being number 1 has been happening to me after a long time. So वो अलग ही फीलिंग होती है. ऐसे ये जर्नी है ही ऐसी कि आप जितना भी कर लो, आप खुद में एक विक्ट्री है.
Correct.
बट जब उसमें वो ऐसे ट्रांसलेट होता है तो अलग ही है.
नेक्स्ट प्लान्स क्या है अभी यहाँ से?
कल का भी एक कैटेगरी है तो
Okay.
INBA में फिर से आना है. फिर अगला हफ्ते ICN अगले हफ्ते है.
Okay.
वहाँ भी जाएंगे.
फिर यहाँ से नेशनल कॉम्पिटिशन्स होंगे।
देखते हैं हाउ थिंग्स शेप अप, कैसा कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं, कोच क्या कहते हैं, क्या प्लानिंग है.
बढ़िया बढ़िया। फिर घर जाके बताने का प्लान है, फिर यहीं पे कंटिन्यू करने का
यहीं
प्लान
पे
है।
कंटिन्यू करने का प्लान है.
सुपर नाइस।
Thank you so much.
again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
128 and 123 switch places. Okay, space out. Don't overlap. You might lose some points if you overlap. So just make sure there's enough space. Keep enough distance. Quarter turn to the right. Quarter turn to the right again. Please just spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out. Relax. Just spread out, spread out. Quarter turn to the right again. Number 264. Just stay a little more. Don't go close to 128. Stay a little at a distance. There's enough space. 250. Yeah, 201.
दोस्तों ये था NBA का इवेंट। अच्छा लगा आके यहाँ पे। ऐसे इवेंट्स के लिए, ऐसे वीडियोस के लिए बने रहो अपने साथ में, और सब्सक्राइब, फॉलो, शेयर करना मत भूलना। थैंक यू।